It's 12th July 2025 and it's 1 a.m. in the morning, and I'm shooting this video because I'm going to start a new series where I will post raw documentary type of video. I have decided to start a new channel, but after a certain period of time I came to conclusion and thought that I started this channel because of that reason, and I'm not using this channel as that how I decided. So this series where I will post all the videos, like what I'm doing, like what's my thought on the things, what's my thought on the process we are going through from. So it's like the raw videos, raw days where I will show every single thing. And main purpose of mine behind shooting this kind of videos, I know what's coming, what's going to happen, and we have a lot of things in queue. I don't want to reveal every single thing you are hearing. Something is coming, we have to get ready for it. So this documentary, it's kind of stamp for me. It's kind of the memories where I have been putting hours in the business, and I will see these videos after reaching there. So for today, I'm jumping to my meditation session. After we have product research session, and we three will research for the product, and we need to order it, we need to shoot it. So let's jump to meditation session first, and I will show things after that. So I just completed my meditation session, and in few minutes I have been joining to the call, and we will do some product research, and we will need to find something like that product that makes sense to the customers, to the market. We are not running behind any trendy product for now. We are running for the product that fits well in our checkboxes. So I just woke up and I went to bed around 3 o'clock. So we managed to order one product, like one simple order to India, and we have some gut feeling and logical explanation on the product we ordered. So I'm going for shower, and after that I need to get to work. I wrote something down here what I need to do. So I'm going for completing my morning routine, and after that I'll back to the work. I was trying to say like someone hit another car in front of me. So I was trying to say like we are at the stage where we don't have that kind of good schedules. We don't have that kind of things to show, and I really appreciate this time where I just find the peace. I find myself in between the work. So for me, it's the best schedules, best days I'm living in. And if I talk about the work I put, it's the greatest opportunity I have, because without opportunity I can't put that much efforts, work into the business. So it's currently next day, like it's 3:35, 13th July 2025, and to be honest, I'm really quite busy in my schedule, and To be honest, I forgot to shoot, but literally I am trying my very best to shoot the videos. I have many things to do. Currently, I forgot to shoot, but slowly but surely, I will start to film every single day. Currently, I was just writing down the new thought, new thing on the whiteboard. So, this video I'm going to end here because I got things to do, and hopefully, I start new vlog today. So, it's kind of documentary for me. I'm building some new things, and as I said, I felt some energy. I felt some kind of things in my brain from where I can easily say something is coming. So for real, it's one of the documentary where I can look after it after a certain period of time. So for this video, I just want to say I learned things slowly, which is sometimes you just need break from every single thing, and this is what I am doing right now. But I will surely start documenting every single day, and hopefully every single thing I can show you over here.
The money speaking for itself, I call it fortune tell.